barbecue in the summer, so I apologize to you if you have to hear this a second time. A quick story about this. I was taking ukulele lessons during the lockdown, the COVID lockdown, and my teacher kept wanting to introduce me to amplifiers and microphones and all kinds of things, which just made my head explode. And I said one day, you know, the technology is not my friend. And he said, you should write a song about that. So I did. It's called Drowning in a Sea of Tech, a True Story. When I was a child several decades ago, life was a simpler time. I loved singing along with my transistor radio. A song was a tune and a rhyme. I used over time 45s and LPs, 8 tracks, cassettes, and CDs. I was so unprepared and frankly quite scared of technology's growth in this century. There are podcasts and iTunes streaming, downloading, and a file that is called MP3. Now everything's digital, whatever that means, and my smartphone's way smarter than me. I went right through school without any high tech, got my degree without a PC. I still love to listen to music, but heck, the technology's a mystery to me. My car has a computer, and so does my fridge, and my security system at home. I'm up a high-tech river with a low-tech paddle, drowning in a sea of digital foam. There are podcasts and iTunes streaming, downloading, and a file that is called MP3. Now everything's digital, whatever that means, and my smartphone's way smarter than me.